guys, you clicked on this because you want to see how to make a very simple obstacle game. And I have 0 progress, so I just click on this, make a big fat thing, I guess, and then just make it black. Like, you don't have to do this, but I just like being way too specific. You know, 4 corners. 2 corners are going to be like that, and the other 2 are going to be like that. Now, it's literally all you will ever need for a backdrop in this. So, next step is the player. But, oh, we don't have a player. If you guys just want something simple like me, you can just do this. When pressing shift, you can just make it like this, okay? Like, that's literally all you'll need for this project. You will also need a danger sprite with many costumes as the first one. Well, oh, no thank you. First one will actually just be really simple. Yeah. So, here. So, you know, that's like the first level. But we have to create a variable called level. So when green flag clicks, set level to 1. Also, just for everyone's sake, I'm just gonna make a green place, which is our goal. Our goal is set to the green box. That's basically it. Done forever. Switch costume to I don't want to list. To level. So level's 1. So switch costume to level. I think. So if we change level by 1, and let's just make it like this. So yes, that does work. For the second one, that's obviously not going to be what we're doing. Just because we have this. You see the player though. You have to bring it here. So in green flag clicked, go to, and then just copy these coordinates down here. So this would be minus 185. That's x, and the y is negative 1. Let's try 15. C. Does it work? Yes. So that means we're doing good. Doing good. Now, choose the 0, 0. Like it should have always been. Now here, you don't need too much here. Just some basic stuff. You know what I mean? Like the most basic stuff you've ever going to see. You just do this. Then, when that happens, you can just change it by like 5. This is supposed to be a 2D, like obstacle game thingy, whatever they call it. And here you can just copy these. So right arrow, up arrow. So also right arrow, down arrow. This is left arrow. You get rid of these for now. Then just like so. We're doing good. So here, to do another thing. If touching color, not then we had to minus 185 like nylon. Then minus 115. But for that, we do have to change the level by 1. So, this may not be the best code, but level 2 on the other hand, you just have to make some more levels. Da 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 da. So level 2 will be, I think, or it should be like somewhat different. This. And the third one, I think we should just add some more interesting stuff. Just make it like this. Then when we paste it again, now this should be the level 3 already looks hard. Level 4 will just make things a little bit tighter, like we should always do. Then level 5, squeeze this down, put this here, just like over here-ish. Twist this so it's like so. Make some sort of angle thing here, just to make things seem cool, I guess. No. So that's 5 levels so far. See if they're actually possible. Level 2, possible. Level 3 is definitely possible. Level 4 it is possible, but level 5 is also possible. But we do have to do one. Oh wait, what happened? So we have to do one tiny thing. So it's just if we're touching the obstacles, and just go there. So we do actually die, sadly. But we do need more levels. The 6th level. This should just be a like very harder remake of it. Level 7. Just tighten things up a slight bit. And also just for the fun of it, let's add a little thing like this. Here's just add one more of these. So you come here, level 9. It's gonna be like the hardest of them all. And also the last level. I mean, there's a ton of dangerous stuff here. You know? So many dangers. How could I possibly pass it? Yeah, 9 levels is a lot. So that's why I'm level 10. Let's just make it way too hard. By that, just mean like some of this, and also, I guess, drawing some stuff. So yes, that has been filled in. Red. So this should be, in theory, filled in. Red. Red, just spamming red everywhere. Just like that. And then we can just paint a little bit. And we can also make green thing, or that's a lot bigger than the previous stuff, and we won't even use it. Just, you should put into here like GG. And then that's it, basically, for your game. But if you really want, you can add some music. I happen to have the Grief song from Geometry Dash, which I guess I got. So here, see the ending of it? Actually, no. So that's basically it, guys. So instead of this, it's called Simple Game. Make sure you guys subscribe as well. Also, just to add a little description. The goal is to get the green square. Don't touch the red rectangles. Have fun. And also subscribe to me on YouTube. By the way, you guys should do some sort of thumbnail thing. And when it's posted, it's all good. Second playthrough, just if you guys weren't paying attention. This time I'll talk while I'm playing through it. does actually get harder. What's that? But later on, that gets harder. If this video gets 2 likes, then I'll make a part 2 where I make the game even better. So make sure you guys like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next